Greetings Earthlings, it's your girl Chow Gal and welcome to Single Servings. In today's video, I am going to be sharing a recipe of my go-to chicken noodle soup here because it's oddly cold. I live in the DMV and it's also raining. I am the type of person who has soup as a default setting, so naturally I am going to find any excuse to show you some soup and to eat some soup. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like the vibe. Join the tribe. Let's get on to today's video. These are the ingredients. Excuse me if you can hear my dryer going. I have Mirepoix, a classic that I bought from the grocery store already pre-cut to make it easier on you. You're a single girl, you're busy, you get into the money. Your time is valuable. 2 beautiful, hefty cloves of garlic and 1 knob of ginger. I have some oregano here from the Dominican Republic on my last trips. Best oregano. I swear by this. Your basic salt, pepper, using olive oil, a little bit of apple cider vinegar to provide that acidity and that hint of depth to the soup. Some Maggi Caldo de pollo. Alright guys, it's time to taste this, my go-to chicken noodle soup. If you try the recipe out, let me know in the comments how you like it, but let's go ahead and head for the first bite. I feel like I need to have a little bit of everything, a little bit of broth, a little bit of chicken, some veggies. No. This is delicious. I'm sure this will bring you back from the dead if you're sick. I just made this because, again, it was raining, felt like comfort food. And this soup just makes you feel at home. That balance between the garlic and the ginger and that heartiness from the chicken. It's so light too. Like, I cannot get tired of this. I hope that you guys really like this recipe. And again, like this video, subscribe to join the tribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.